Hi friends, I don't know if this is working because it keeps scrolling. Hi friends, there we go, yay, I'm now live. I've been having nothing but problems with this because we're having a storm right now in Arizona. That's why my dog is freaking out, poor thing. She's shaking like a leaf. We got some big grumbling going on. Just thought it was funny. It started coming when I started getting this, preparing for this video. So I just wanted to say hi and introduce myself. For you that don't know, I'm Faith Coach Phyllis, and I'm a certified master life coach since 2019. I've been helping others strengthen their faith to battle real life struggles we deal with every day in our relationships, such as family, marriages, divorce, friendships, co-workers, etc. Every relationship. And I just wanted to let you know I'm starting a new community Bible study class to uncover what God's Word tells us to do to overcome the hardships in this real life that we all face. It's going to be every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. and that's Arizona time. We don't ever change our clock, so our time's always the same. And it starts August 12th. I would love to see you guys in there, some of my old friends in our private community group. If you struggle with this thing called life, we all struggle and it's okay. I want you to comment yes, please, if you want me to send you the link to join us. So may God bless you and yours and have a lovely day. I want you to feel peace in your soul, so please join us. It's a private group. You don't have to show your face like I am right now. Of course, I would love to see them. But if you just want to listen in on us, we're going to be studying God's Word and unveiling what He has to teach us through His Word. So I'd love to see you guys. Have a lovely day. Karma says bye. Bye. Love you guys. Bye for now.